Welcome to our clay kitchen, a world where everything is made of colorful clay. The walls are sunny yellow, the countertop a shiny blue, and even the clock and stove are crafted from clay. Here, every tool has a personality. The sleepy wooden spoon, the focused knife, the giggling mixing bowl, and the waddling penguin salt and pepper shakers. This kitchen is alive with playful sounds and characters. Today, we're making chili paneer, and you're invited to join the adventure. But this isn't just any cooking video. It's an ASMR experience. We'll focus on the soothing sounds of cooking, the chop of the knife, the sizzle of the pan, the gentle stir of the spoon. Each sound tells the story of our dish. The ingredients, green peppers, red onions, and a soft block of paneer, wait on the blue countertop, each with its own charm. Everything is ready for a magical journey. The lights are bright, the camera is rolling, and the kitchen is buzzing with excitement. Listen closely as we turn a simple recipe into a playful, relaxing adventure. The clay kitchen is a place where food and fun come alive. Let's get started and see what wonders await. The fun is just about to begin in our wonderful clay kitchen. Let's meet our stars, our clay ingredients. First, the paneer, a soft, wobbly block with a gentle face, eager to join the dish. Next, the bell peppers, green and red, shiny and proud, ready to be chopped. The onion is big and round, a little grumpy on the outside but sweet within. Garlic cloves huddled together, shy but full of flavor. Green chilies bring a mischievous, spicy kick. Our sauces, soy, vinegar and ketchup, wait in their colorful bottles, each with a unique personality. The soy sauce is wise and salty, the vinegar sharp and zesty, the ketchup sweet and friendly. Spices sit in tiny clay pots, and the penguin salt and pepper shakers are ready to season. Each ingredient has its own texture and story. Together they're a team, ready to transform into something delicious. The kitchen is alive with color and character. The cooking begins with the music of chopping. The focused clay knife slices through the soft paneer, thump, 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 creating perfect cubes. Next, the knife meets the crunchy bell peppers, crack, chop, chop, filling the air with crisp sounds. The onion's papery layers peel away with a gentle crinkle, then thwack, thwack as it's chopped. Garlic cloves make a tiny tick, 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 and the green chilies snip quickly. Each ingredient adds its own note to our kitchen orchestra. The cutting board becomes a colorful mosaic: white paneer, green and red peppers, purple onion. The symphony of slicing and dicing is soothing and satisfying. The kitchen quiets for a moment, anticipation building for the next step. Time to heat the wok. The clay knob clicks, the flame flickers, and oil glugs into the pan. Garlic and chilies jump in first, filling the kitchen with a lively sizzle. Onions and peppers follow, sliding in with a louder. The wooden spoon stirs, clinking gently against the wok. The vegetables tumble and sizzle, their colors brightening as they cook. The sound softens, becoming rhythmic and relaxing, like gentle rain. The kitchen is filled with the happy song of the wok, promising a delicious meal. The vegetables are soft and sizzling, time for the sauces to dance. Soy sauce pours in with a smooth, deepening the sizzle. Vinegar splashes in, adding a zesty kick. Ketchup lands with a playful, its red color swirling into the mix. The wooden spoon stirs, blending the sauces into a rich reddish-brown gravy. The sound thickens as the sauce bubbles and blends. A splash of cornflour slurry goes in, making the sauce glossy and thick. The bubbling slows as the gravy clings to the vegetables. The dance of the sauces is complete, and the wok is ready for the final ingredient. The sauce bubbles, filling the kitchen with spicy, sweet, and salty aromas. The paneer cubes slide into the wok and are gently stirred in. The spoon moves slowly, coating the paneer in the rich sauce. The dish transforms before our eyes. White paneer, dark sauce, vibrant vegetables. The aroma grows stronger, making everyone hungry. The bubbling slows, signaling the dish is almost ready. The anticipation builds as the flavors meld together. The clay kitchen is warm, cozy, and filled with joy. The chili paneer is ready. The flame goes out, and the bubbling stops. We scoop the dish into a bright yellow clay bowl. A sprig of green coriander tops it off. The spoon sinks in with a soft squish, lifting out a perfect bite. Wisps of clay steam rise as we taste the creation. The sauce is sweet, spicy, and tangy. The paneer is soft and creamy. The peppers add crunch. Every bite is a party of flavors and textures. The journey from simple clay shapes to this delicious meal has been magical. The ASMR sounds, chopping, sizzling, stirring, made the process relaxing and fun. In our clay kitchen, cooking is always an adventure, and every meal ends with happiness and satisfaction.